In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make viral photos with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is an easy way to turn a regular photo into something eye-catching, creative, and highly shareable for Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms. If you've ever wanted to create a unique profile image, a fun caricature, or a standout post without using complicated editing tools, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT on your device. You can use it on desktop or mobile, and once you're inside, you'll be ready to upload your photo. Now look for the plus icon. This is the button you need to click to add files or images. Once you tap on plus, select the option to add photos, then choose the picture you want to transform. For the best results, pick a clear photo where your face is easy to see, because that gives ChatGPT more detail to work with. After your photo is uploaded, it's time to enter the prompt. This is the most important part of the process, because the prompt tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of image you want to create. Type this prompt exactly: create a caricature of me with everything you know about me and my work. This prompt works well because it asks ChatGPT to use the photo, your identity, and any available context about you to generate a personalized and attention-grabbing result. If you want a more viral style image, keep your prompt simple, clear, and creative. You can also experiment later with different styles, but this exact prompt is a great place to start. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will begin generating the image. Depending on the complexity and the platform speed, this may take a moment, so be patient while it creates the final version. When the image appears, take a close look at the result and make sure it matches the style you want. If you like it, you're ready for the next step. Now go ahead and download the image to your device. Saving it locally makes it easy to post anywhere you want. After that, you can upload it to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, X, or wherever you want to share it. This kind of AI-generated photo can work really well as a profile picture, a thumbnail, a social media post, or just a fun way to show off your personality online. If you want even better results, try using a high-quality photo, a prompt with a clear style, and a strong concept that fits your personal brand. The more specific and visually interesting your idea is, the more likely it is to stand out and get attention. And that's it. That's how to make viral photos with ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.